Hi guys, what's up? This is Jeff from landscapingmarketingteam.com, here to share some tips and information to you guys regarding the importance of ranking your website on the first page of Google. In this video, I will be showing you how we are able to help you guys outrank your competitors and to convert more customers to your company. We specialize in online marketing, web design, and search engine optimization, and will help you reach more online visibility. We thought it would be helpful to create a short video helping you to understand how this process actually works. So let's get started. So let's move over to Google to see what we're all about. So as you can see, I've typed in the keywords artificial grass in Inglewood. But first, let me show you how you can actually read Google. The first part of Google is mentioning all the paid advertisements. Well, as you probably are aware, nobody's actually looking at those advertisements anymore, and most of the people are just scrolling down towards the other search results. Here you will find the Google Map pack, where, as you can see, you are currently ranking on number 2, which is great. Moving over, we can see that here you will have the Google organic ranking page, which includes all of the other organic pages and organic search results of other companies. So let's hover over to the top again of Google, to the map pack. And as you can see, as I mentioned before, you guys are currently on number 2 of the map pack. Whilst you can easily be ranking number 1, which is where you will probably need our help, as we can help you get the ranking all the way up to number 1 with the help of citation building. However, when looking at the organic part of Google, we can see that desert turf is actually not on the first page. Let's have a look. 7, 8, 9. Nope, you're all not on page 1. So let's have a look on page 2 of Google to see if we can find desert turf over there. First we have the paid ads, then we have all the rankings from number 11 to number 20, but you guys are nowhere to be found. So let's move over to page number 3. Here we have page number 3. First the ads, number 21, 23, 24, 5, and look, here we are, number 27 on page number 3. So you're probably wondering why bother ranking for the organic rankings in Google when you're currently ranking number 2 in the map pack on page number 1. Well, as a company, you would want to be ranking on page number 1 in the organic part of Google, because no one from the outside can mess with your rankings in the organic part of Google. It's a different story in the map pack, as people, or perhaps even competitors, could do some false reporting on Google, making Google, in an extreme circumstance, create a negative impact on your rankings in the map pack, which can perhaps even cause it to be deleted from the map pack. So how are we able to help you guys rank higher in the organic part of Google? Well, for starters, let me explain something about Google. Google is actually all about being popular. It's a popularity contest. Google will rank you all the way to the top if other people are talking about you, know about you, trust you, and refer to you. You will need to be popular to be on top. There are a few things that I want to jump into, not necessarily in detail, as I don't want to bore you guys, of course, but just so you are aware of the things that we can help you guys with that will generate more customers to your company. For this, I have a few tools in place that I will show the difference between your site ranking on number 27, page number 3, versus, let's say, another company ranking on page 1. Let's compare. Where do we have it? Number 2, RC Artificial Grass. By the way, you will also see that, for example, Amazon is ranking on number 1 in the organic part of Google. And you're probably wondering why that is. Well, that's probably because they have an amazing amount of content with the exact same keywords mentioning artificial grass. In this particular case, for Google, content is actually key. So if we open this particular website from Amazon, we can actually see that they have a tremendous amount of content about artificial grass, which is why they are currently ranking number 1. For us, the task to start beating the competitors, and especially Amazon, with great quality content about artificial grass. But we'll look into the content later on. For now, let's compare both websites. Let's start with you guys, with Desert Turf. I'm going to start with the amount of pages that you have compared to artificial grass. I'm going to use a specific tool that I have in place. It shows that you currently have 65 pages indexed in Google, which is a substantial amount of pages, which is good. Comparing that to the artificial grass landscaping website, we see that they have 46 pages in place. Looking at these stats, you can see that you guys are beating artificial grass in the amount of pages that you guys have. But, however, as I just mentioned, content plays a very important factor. And looking at RC Artificial, they have an amazing amount of content on all of their pages. Here you see some content, and it's really quality content, and they have that for all of their websites. If you compare that to the content that you guys currently have on your website, you don't have that much content, which is why RC Artificial is in this case outranking you guys based on those stats. But not to worry, of course. This is something that we are able to fix for you. We can create proper quality content and place that onto your website. So you will start outranking RC based on that particular stat. Next up is backlinks. So let me explain exactly what a backlink is. A backlink can be seen as a vote from other people. So the more votes that you have, the better you will rank. However, not every vote is created equally, meaning that some votes have more impact on your website than others. That's because some websites have a bigger name, have more trust or more authority than other websites, which is why these votes have a bigger impact than others. This is again showing on your website as well. You guys currently have 21 votes/backlinks in place. Comparing that to the backlinks from artificial grass, RC, we see that they have only 3 backlinks in place. But as I mentioned before, this will probably outrank you guys as they have a vote which has more impact than the 21 votes that you currently have. So what can we do about that? Well, we can just start by creating more votes to your website, meaning more votes with a bigger impact. This is something that we are able to do for you guys, of course. Next up is the age of a website, which also plays a role in Google's ranking. It's a small factor, and unfortunately there's not much you can do about it. Looking at RC's website, you can see that this website was built in 2015, comparing the website build which was done by you guys in 2018. The age of a website cannot be faked or changed. So the more reason to start with the factors you can actually change, which are in this particular case creating more pages, creating more content, and creating more votes-backlinks. So to quickly summarize, in order to rank your company's website to page number 1, ranking number 1 on Google, the following changes will need to be made. First, we need to create more quality content and get more quality votes to your website. So that's it for the organic part of Google. But how can we help you guys get to the number 1 of Google Map Pack, which is over here? Well, this is actually a manual job that we can do for you guys. We have a list of hundreds of directories which we can contact, which will enable us to get your company to the number 1 in the map pack. Beating in this particular case synthetic grass store of the number 1 spot. This is done by creating citations. What is a citation? Well, a citation is an online mentioning in a directory, for example, such as Yelp or TripAdvisor, that includes your company's name, your company's address, and your company's phone number. So the more citations your company has online, the higher you will rank in the map pack. So in order to beat your competitors and keep dominating, we want to keep adding citations, beating your competitors month after month, year after year, keeping you on the #1 spot. So I hope this little screencast has helped you guys out, and let us know if you need any help getting you guys on top. Just a quick note, I saw that Desert Turf is providing their services all around the south of California. You are currently ranking on number 27 on page 3 for people searching for your services in Inglewood. We can also help you with ranking your company to the top for the surrounding areas by creating additional online presence for your company there. This will result in people from the surrounding areas searching for the specific keywords artificial grass or any other preferred keywords to find your company on #1 as well, resulting in an exponential growth of customers to your company. That's all for now. Hope to talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye bye.